All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. We're about to hit up Sportsman's warehouse. I know that you guys have to be aware about what happened with the ban and the 7.62 rounds, you know, where we're banning Russia and sending that ammunition to us and things like that. So it's going to create increases in other areas of manufacturers in America. And then also, you just won't find it. So I'm about to go in Sportsman's warehouse to see if we can find the ammo, and also to see if this ammo shortage is subsiding. So let's check it out. All right, you all, let's go ahead and get into it. We're about to go to Sportsman's warehouse. Y'all about to go on a journey with me. And of course, we got black and white girls. All right, guys, so we have some ammo here, it looks like. All right, 223 rounds, that's looking pretty good. 22 LR sitting right here, looks for $6.49. 300 blackout, $25.99, not bad. It's a little dry on the shelves, but it's looking better than it was before. And there go your 7.62 rounds, guys. Got 308 full metal jacket. And there's some other rounds here too, things that I don't use for hunting and stuff like that. All right, how you doing? Good. Yep. So overall, it's looking pretty good, guys. We got that. All right, so it's looking pretty good. All right. How you doing? Good. Ammo looking good. Yeah, y'all been getting good reports though. Really, really good reports. 7.62 rounds look really, really good though. They have their long rifles too, guys. So inventory and stock is looking like it's up, so it's good. Very good. So everything is looking good so far. Ammo is coming back. That's a good thing. You got your mags here too. It's like the AR-15 mags are on sale for $9.99. Appreciate it, guys. Yep.
Yeah, but
Huh?
what do you do it for?
I have a channel. Yep, a YouTube channel.
A YouTube channel?
Yeah, it's pretty good. I'm not from this planet on YouTube, so I do technology, cars, and firearms. Yeah, so a lot of reports around Nashville, you know, the shortage and stuff like that. Things are starting to look better now, though. Yeah. So that's a really, really good thing. So I know you heard about the ban with the 7.62 rounds, right?
Yeah.
With Russia rounds and stuff like that. Joe Biden banning them.
No call ammo.
Yeah, that's a done deal.
Done deal, gone. No
that's gone.
Imports.
Yeah.
Yep.
People just don't know about it yet. And so I'm informing them, and a lot of other people don't know about it. So it's unfortunate that it's like that, but it is.
It's hard to get.
Huh?
Hard to find ammo.
Yeah. Absolutely, yeah. It's starting to look better though, because I've been out there to the Bass Pro Shops. I've been out there to Franklin Gun Store.
Last time I was at Bass Pro Shop, it was only about 2 or 3 weeks ago. They had a glass cabin with all around it.
Yeah, no, they don't anymore. So now it's starting to expand now. So now they have, yeah, they have a long aisle now. Absolutely, yeah. So they're looking better, and that's a good thing. It's sad that it's like that, but it is. So it is what it. Yep, it is what it is. You know, that looks good. Thanks, guys.
Hey, have a good one.
You too. You got all your good stuff here too, guys. How you doing? Good. And for you boys that know how to make your own ammo, here you go. Now, I'd like to know in the comments below if any of you guys actually make your own ammo. If you do, please let me know how to do it, because obviously it's a process with this. So it's real good. Got some more. And also, you know, if you have a firearm, you got to have a safe too, guys. So they have plenty of them out here. It looks like some of them are lightweight, really not that good. But then once you start getting to the more expensive ones, they get a little bit heavier. So this is a really, really good one. That was good. It's 30. And let me know, guys, in the comments below what type of safes you have at home. What do you think is ideal or better? Also, these look pretty sturdy, these Brownings. Now these are the big boys. Those are pretty good. It's a big one. $1,499 for that. That's a big one too. All right, guys. So they do have ammo. We have some more here. Some loads here too, guys. 12 gauge looks like. 10 gauge shells there. You got your 12 gauge there. $17.99. You take care, man. Nice talking to you. Alright guys, so Sportsman's Warehouse, just to let you know, I'm in Murfreesboro, Tennessee, and they do have it. Alright, I'm going to get out of here. How you doing? Alright, you all, please like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so when I roll out the latest videos, you'll be able to receive them. And we are leaving Sportsman's Warehouse, Murfreesboro, Tennessee. We're out of here. Yeah. And I think I'm about to go to some more gun stores too. I think I'm about to go to some more gun stores and see what's going on with these 7.62 rounds, because I really want to know. I really, really want to know. All right, guys. Y'all holler at me in the comments. Holla.